Hello, everyone. Here are a few tips in finding cheap airline tickets. Finding cheap flight tickets involves a combination of factors, including the timing of your booking, the day of the week you plan to travel, and the flexibility of your travel dates. Here are some tips on where to find affordable flight tickets from London. Use popular flight comparison websites such as Skyscanner, Kayak, or Google Flights to compare prices from various airlines. These platforms allow you to set up price alerts, helping you track changes in ticket prices. Be flexible with your travel dates and times. Flying during off-peak hours or on weekdays can often result in lower fares. Generally, booking your flight well in advance can help you secure lower prices. Aim to book at least a few weeks before your planned departure date. Use airline miles or points. If you're a member of a frequent flyer program or have accumulated airline miles or credit card points, check if you can use them to offset the cost of your flight. Consider flying with budget airlines that operate from London to your route. When searching for flights online, use your browser's incognito or private browsing mode. Some websites may track your search history and potentially increase prices for flights that are repeatedly searched. Sign up for alerts, Subscribito newsletters, or alerts from airlines and travel websites. They often notify subscribers about special promotions and discounts. If you're a student or a young traveler, check if there are any student or youth discounts available. Some airlines offer special fares for these demographics. Look into flights departing from or arriving at nearby airports. Sometimes, flying into a nearby airport and taking ground transportation to your final destination can be more cost-effective. Explore package deals that combine flights and accommodation. Sometimes, booking a package can be more economical than purchasing each component separately. Consider bundling your flight with other travel services like accommodation and car rental. Some travel platforms offer discounts for package deals. Follow airlines on social media. Last-minute deals. While it's generally advisable to book in advance, sometimes last-minute deals can be found. Be flexible with your travel plans if you're open to spontaneous trips. Airlines often promote special deals and discounts on their social media channels. Keep an eye on their pages for announcements. Check if changing your booking currency affects the flight price. Sometimes paying in a different currency can result in a lower fare. Remember that prices can vary, and it's advisable to compare multiple options before making a decision. Additionally, be cautious about hidden fees, baggage costs, and other potential additional charges when comparing ticket prices. Heathrow Airport and Gatwick Airport are two of the major international airports serving London and the surrounding regions. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.